Tired of getting burned in online businesses? It can and will be different. The difference maker is a company called Onpassive. Onpassive is an artificial intelligence informational technology company. Onpassive has over 50 legitimate and viable products such as ONet, OConnect, and OTracker, just to name a few. Onpassive will do all the marketing, branding, selling, recruiting, and all the follow-ups with your customers 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and 365 days a year. In my research, there's no other company in the world that can compete or compare with Onpassive. Everyone who joins Onpassive will be very successful under an acronym the Onpassive community calls C.A.T.M.O. C stands for Complete Digital Solution. A stands for Automated Artificial Intelligence. T stands for Targeted Traffic. M is for Money, which means time and freedom with abundance living. And O, Onpassive, which means 100% hands-free and 100% automation. Onpassive will build you a tremendous amount of wealth and allow you to earn a residual income for life, which just keeps growing. Onpassive will also allow you to create a family dynasty for generations to come, which would leave a legacy you can be very proud of. Please get back to myself or the person that shared this video with you and become a founder today, while the price of the founder position is still $97. Please visit our website at www.onpassive.com. Warm regards, your fellow legacy leader, Robert Tantullo.